In this video, I will show you how you can take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now there are a couple of different ways you can do that. For the first method, just grab your Samsung phone and press the power button with the volume down button at the same time. Now after you press the power button with the volume down button, you'll take a screenshot, just like that. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just open the quick settings on your Samsung phone, then tap on the edit icon. From here, just look at the bottom of the screen and tap on add a control. Now under the capture section, you will find the option for take screenshot. Now just tap on it to add it to the quick settings. From here, you can increase or decrease the size of the shortcut as you like. And once you're done editing the size of the shortcut, then just tap on done to save. Now to take a screenshot, just open the quick settings. At the bottom of the quick settings, you will find the option for take screenshot. Now just tap on it to capture a screenshot. Now the third method is that you can capture a long screenshot. For that, just open a scrollable page on your phone. For example, I'll open the settings. Now after that, just capture a normal screenshot. Now after you capture the screenshot, from this bottom menu, just tap on this icon over here, and your screen will start scrolling. Now just tap on this button until you have captured the long screenshot as you want. Now after you do that, as you can see, we have successfully captured a long screenshot of the settings app. Now for the fourth and final method, just go back to the home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on advanced features. From here, just tap on motions and gestures. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for palm swipe to capture. Now just make sure that this option is turned on. And once this option is enabled, then you will be able to capture a screenshot on your Samsung phone by just swiping with the palm of your hand across the screen. Just like that. And all the screenshots which we have captured, you can find them in the Photos app. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.